The final minute of the sun's existence is rapidly approaching. For the past 96 hours, the world has been in total darkness and despair as the sun fades into a sinister void. Over millions of plants, animals, and civilians have already died from the extreme cold. For those remaining, we do not have much time left. For the last minute, I want to relay this message to the entire world. As humans, we have all been brave, strong, socially and culturally connected. We are products of nature, living inside a scientific entity that will never be fully researched. A majority of humans have done good for the Earth and aim to make progress by any means necessary. The vision could be seen from the light shining by the sun in the solar system. The vision is what's helped humans thrive for over billions of years. To have it fade away so quickly, turning everything into total darkness, represents the end of humanity. It is insane how far we've come. The accomplishments made by those with an intellectual mindset is immaculate. We have studied all the different types of species around us, the existence of the planetary system, how humans mature, grow, think, and survive in society. Rest assured, it's been a great journey, and I'm glad to have existed long enough to witness such a calamity. When the world goes dark, we all leave together.